Solved MCQs of past ETA paper. The number of oxygen atom in 0.5 mole of aluminum carbonate is 4.5 into 10 to the power 23, 3.6 into 10 to the power 24, 2.7 into 10 to the power 24, 9 into 10 to the power 23. So we will solve it. 1 mole of aluminum carbonate will have 9 moles of oxygen atom. If we look at the formula, here is CO3 and whole 3. CO3 is for oxygen and here is also given whole 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 will result in 9. So we will get 9 moles. In question it is given as 0.5. So 0.5 moles of aluminum carbonate will have how many moles? By cross multiplying it, we will get 4.5 moles of oxygen atom. In terms of Avogadro number, 1 mole of oxygen will be equal to Avogadro number of atoms. Then 4.5 moles of oxygen atom will be equal to how many atoms? So by cross multiplying it and solving it, we will get 2.7 into 10 to the power 24. So the answer is C. That is 2.7 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. Which compound react with chlorine to produce two products in which chlorine has different oxidation number? Ethane, potassium iodide, sodium hydroxide, propane. So we will look at their reaction. In case of ethane and propane, both are alkane. So the reaction of ethane is given, in which the chloride is added to this molecule by free radical substitution reaction, and hexachloroalkane is formed in a stepwise manner. Hexachloroalkane and hydrochloric acid. Here the two products are formed. But if we look at the chloride, here the chloride, in both cases the chloride has -1 oxidation number, so it is not the correct answer. In case of potassium iodide, when chlorine reacts with potassium iodide, it will produce potassium chloride and iodine. Only one product with chlorine is formed in which chloride has -1 charge, so it is also not the correct answer because the question is about two products. Sodium hydroxide. When chlorine is added to the sodium hydroxide molecule, it will produce sodium chloride, sodium chlorate and water. If we look at the oxidation state of chlorine in Cl2, it is equal to 0 because it is present in elemental form, or we can say the molecular chlorine has 0 charge. In case of sodium chloride, sodium has +1 state, so chloride will have -1 state. So in case of sodium chloride, chloride is in -1 oxidation state. In case of chlorate, sodium has +1, oxygen has -2. So in order to balance this chemical formula, or in order to get 0 from this formula, we will have +1 for chlorine. So for +1 for chlorine, +1 for sodium, it will result in +2. It will cancel out -2 of oxygen, so we will get 0 oxygen number. So in this case, chloride has +1 state. So option C is the correct answer, that is sodium hydroxide, in which chloride has two products, sodium chloride and sodium chlorate, and in which the chloride has two oxygen number, that is -1 and +1. Copper displaces which one of the following metal from its salt solution? Zinc sulfate, iron sulfate, silver nitrate, all of the above. So we will look at the reduction potential of these metal. Copper, when react with silver nitrate, it will form silver metal and copper nitrate. Copper, when react with zinc sulfate, there is no reaction, it means there is no replacement. And copper, when react with iron sulfate, also there is no replacement of iron. It is clear from their reduction potential, in which the copper has more reduction potential than zinc and iron. The values are also given. So it is unable to displace them from their salt. Only silver has greater reduction potential than copper, so silver is replaced from its salt by copper. So option C is the correct answer. Which metal impart green color to the Bunsen flame? Sodium, calcium, strontium, barium. So first we will look at the color of all these metals. Sodium will give golden yellow or yellow color. Calcium will give red or orange red color. Strontium will give crimson red or red color, and barium will give grassy green or green color. So the option D, that is barium, it will produce green color in the Bunsen flame. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.